peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life, and I just got this and I've been very excited to get this. I wanted one of these. This is from a company called Saving One Day Company. It's a strange name, but they definitely have some good prices on things. I think this was like under $15. So I think I just wanted to get this unboxed. I think this is just an extra. Let me just grab a piece of paper here. This was an extra gift. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Sort of goldish. Huh. Well, that was very nice. And then we have, this is the melting thing, and this is where you put the wax in here and you put it over the candle and you melt the wax, and then you pour the wax on and use these seals. This one is a flower and this one is a snowflake. And I have a couple of other wax seals. This one says there it is. It says miss you. Okay. Awesome. Look at all the different colors of wax you get. Okay, super pretty colors. This is absolutely, I love this. It's really pretty. Nice and heavy duty too. These are nice heavy duty pieces. I like them. So I have a bunch of these already, so I didn't order any extra, but I do want to order some extra heads because I think I might end up using this quite a bit. I don't know. Okay, well, have a great day, and I'll be back with another video showing me using this. So far, I like it a lot. I'm going to leave a link for you below so that you can go check out the company. Okay? Thanks for watching, everyone. We will see you next time.